Got a banana in there. So cool. Another banana. Another banana in there. Another wafer. Another wafer in there. Banana pudding made at home. Rico Soul Italia Eat style. Bon appetit, peoples, okay? Bon appetit. Here we are, Rico Soul Italia Eats. And in this episode of Rico Soul Italia Eats, we're going to show you exactly how we put this homemade banana pudding together using ingredients that we already had laying around the house. It was easy, it was simple, and we did it with our homemade whipped cream using only 3 ingredients to make that. So without further delay, let's get into our video. We're going to add 3 cups of heavy whipping cream to our bowl, as well as 6 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. First, we'll pour in our 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. This here's 2 cups. We need 1 more. Here's our final cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, we're going to add our 6 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar. If you don't have confectioner's sugar, you can substitute with 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This is our last tablespoon. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now it's time to mix all 3 of these ingredients together. We're going to mix it until it's nice and firm. Should take no longer than 7 to 10 minutes. We're very thankful for editing. Our 7 minutes is up and our whipped cream is at the consistency that we wanted. How easy was that? We'll set this aside until we need it. But now it's time to start getting our pudding mixture together. We're going to need 1 5.1 ounce packet of vanilla pudding mix, as well as 1 5.1 ounce packet of banana pudding mix. And we'll pour these into our bowl. We'll pour the packet of vanilla pudding mix in first. Now we'll add the packet of banana pudding mix to our bowl. Next, we're going to add 6 cups of milk to our pudding mix. We'll stir for about 45 seconds and then we'll add our final 2 cups of milk. Then we'll stir for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Next, we'll get out our digital scale and we'll weigh 8 ounces of the whipped cream that we made earlier. And we'll add it to our pudding mix and we'll incorporate it in well. Thanks for cruising by. If you are enjoying this content, please smash that like button now and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new and exciting videos to come. Back to our video. Now we'll start adding a layer of vanilla wafers to our dish. We're using an 11-ounce bag of generic vanilla wafers. We'll slice up 5 bananas and we'll start to layer them as well. Now we'll start layering our pudding over our wafers and our bananas. We'll now start our second layer of vanilla wafers and bananas. And now we'll add our second layer of banana pudding. Next, we're going to add our final layer of whipped cream. We'll add some of the remaining vanilla wafers to the top of our pudding, and we'll also add some of the wafers that we crushed. We'll sprinkle these on at the end. And there you have it, simple and easy. Homemade banana pudding with homemade whipped cream.
Got a banana in there. So cool. Another banana. Another banana in there. Vanilla wafer. Banana pudding made at home. Rico Soul Italian Eat style. Bon appetit, peoples, okay? Bon appetit.
That's going to wrap up our video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Comments are encouraged, and thanks for watching. But most importantly, don't forget to bon appetit, peoples. To bon appetit.